everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well. So today I will be unboxing Boxy Charm base box for December 2020. So if you want to know what I have received in this base box, so please keep on watching. And also if you're new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. So many people are not aware of what is Boxy Charm. So let me explain you a little bit about this product. So Boxy Charm is nothing but a beauty subscription box. So in this you will be receiving around 5 products, 5 full-size makeup products. Sometimes you get skincare as well, and this retails for $25, and with tax you will get it for $27. So the outer packaging of the Boxy Charm comes in a black cardboard box. So let's see what's inside, what I have received in this. So as soon as I open this box, I have received all the makeup products and skincare products. Along with that, I have received a card. So this basically tells about the theme of this month. So the theme of this month is a bubbles and glitz, and along with that, the product information has been mentioned in this back of the card, and they have mentioned all the product description as well as the individual price of this. So I will be explaining you one by one what I have received in this box. So yeah, I will show you what I have received in this box now. So the first product what I have received here is the Glamatic Bella lashes. Along with that, I have also received the Glamatic Liquid Magnetic Liner. I am so excited to use this product because I know the pain of applying the lashes, because it took me ages to learn how to apply lashes. I so wanted to purchase this product, but it was very expensive online, and finally I got this product in this box, and this retails for $63 individually, and I got it in this box within $25, and I'm so happy for that. Let me give you a little description about this product. So Bella is a medium wispy flayed lashes that gives you a classy and beautiful eye effect, and this is made from the high quality, and it is 100% vegan, and it is also made out of synthetic fiber. And the formula what they have given in the liquid liner is highly pigmented, and it holds all day long, so which is a very good thing. And this is the first product what I have received. So now I'll show you the second product what I have got. The second product what I have received here is the Sponge by Makeup Eraser, and this is the first ever machine washable makeup sponge, and this is 100% vegan, this is cruelty free, and also this is a hypoallergenic. So along with that, this is reusable, and you can use it for 6 months, and this can be used in a wet and dry application of your makeup product. You don't have to use any special cleanser to clean this product. You just have to put it in a washing machine along with your normal washing machine pot. I'll show you the inner packaging, how it looks like. So the inner packaging looks something like this. So it has come in this, so you can just put your sponge in this, and you just have to close this, and you have to put it in a washing machine for a wash. So this is very easy. I mean, I've not seen something like this before, and this is very unique for me. And yeah, this looks something different, and this is a very good thing actually what they have come up with. This is the second product what I have received, and this retails for $18 if in case if you want to buy separately. Otherwise in this it comes within $25. The third product what I have received here is the iconic London Blaze Chaser face palette. So this face palette is a ultra versatile face palette featuring 6 shades of butter smooth velvety powder, and that complements all skin tones. So in this basically I have received 6 shades in this. These 2 shades can be used as a blush, and these 2 has a highlighter, and these 2 has a contouring or has a bronzer. You can use it, and this retails for $55, and this is my third product what I have received. So now I'll show you the fourth product what I have received in this. The fourth product what I have received here is the Wise Art Eye Primer, and this retails for $24. So this is a seamless eye primer, works with all the eyeshadow to ensure the crease free and vibrant wear. So the outer packaging looks something like this, and the inner packaging I'll show you. So the inner packaging looks something like this. You can use this as a eye primer for your eye base. So Usually people just apply primer on their face, they just forget to apply primer on their eyes as well, because applying primer on the eyes makes your eyeshadow very long lasting. So it's very important to apply a eye primer as well before you start your eye makeup. So this is the fourth product what I have received in this. The fifth product what I have received here is the Elemis Superfood Glow Priming Moisturizer. So this moisturizer is a very light moisturizer, and this is a multi-use formula, leaves your skin very hydrated while blurring the look of imperfection. It also can be used as a primer underneath your makeup, and also this can be applied as a highlighter to enhance the skin radiance. So this product retails for $49 and you get around 60 ml of product, and this is meant for all skin type. And let me show you the inner packaging of this. So the inner packaging looks something like this. So it comes in this, and I'll show you the product what I have received. Oops, I just got a little more on my hand. So as you can see that, so definitely you can use this as a primer, because I can feel that, you know, this is giving me a base for the makeup. So this product blends very easily, and yeah, definitely you can use this as a highlighter, as a primer and a moisturizer. So this is the fifth product what I have received, and if you want to buy a Boxycharm box, I will give you the link in my description box. You can just go and check it out. And yeah, that completes my video, and thank you so much. Keep supporting and loving me in this way, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.